You just see these little faces he's making. Oh my goodness.
Come on. He's trying to show me how strong his neck is.
Hi, Emerson.
His neck is very strong for some reason.
What's going on?
Mm-hmm.
He's a funny little guy.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, he has gas.
Yeah. He's a funny little guy.
Okay.
Looking like a
there
little
you go,
puppet.
there you go. There you go, there you go. It's alright. It's okay, honey. It's okay, honey. It's okay.
Daddy loves to burp. I don't know what's wrong with you.
I know.
See, watch. Burp.
Burp, burp.
There we go.
Come on, baby. He's really strong.
He's a strong little guy.
Oh my goodness. It's like I have to force him down. Because he's like really strong.
Okay, he doesn't. You already burped him. I think you already burped, so he's fine. He's fine.
Fine.
Okay, okay.
Fine.
Okay, good.